right, YouTubers. I was on vacation and I got a lot of product in the mail that I'll be reviewing here the next couple months just due to the car season being down. But I just want to show you this product here. It's by AUXBEAM. These are going to be LED lights that were sent to me to replace these halogen bulbs in my tractor. Yes, you heard right. You know, everybody's like riding mower, tractor has like headlights on the front of it. And these are just basic halogen 1156 bulbs. It's real easy to switch them out. We're going to switch them out to LED and see if there's an improvement. Or just give it a more modern look to it. So give me a few seconds and we'll be installing these in the tractor. All right, my tractor is it's like a 2020 Craftsman. Model is T310, but that's not the important part. The important part is I just want to show you what these LED lights look like. There's the before halogen bulb on this side. And here's the much cleaner AUXBEAM brand LED 1156 bulb over here. I know it might sound strange, but I mean, I think it looks a little bit cleaner and a little bit more modernized. I still need to clean up the tractor. It's becoming the end of the season. I want to wash it, put a little ceramic coating on it, and clean up the wheels and tires a little bit. But here's the important part. Thank you, AUXBEAM, for sending me these lights to try out. I mean, it literally took me, I don't even know, 30, 40 seconds. Real simple. I just pulled the hood up, twisted the socket to the left, it comes out, pulled the bulb right out, put the other bulb in. Before halogen bulb. There's the after LED bulb. Like I said, looks much cleaner, looks to be brighter to me. Guess we'll see like late night driving around the yard cutting grass. But thanks, AUXBEAM. I appreciate it. I love trying out new products. And I'm happy. Thumbs up, guys. Another good thing is that, vibration of the tractor. Halogen bulbs are more prone to go out. LED bulbs can take vibration. But hopefully you guys can see this. I'll put a link in the description below to the AUXBEAM bulbs they sent me. You can just buy them on Amazon. I'm guessing they're probably 15 to 20 bucks for the pair of them. But thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Plenty more product reviews coming here from the near future.